Makadini kwese kwamuri. In today's lesson toda kutarisa simultaneous equations, but particularly tichitarisa word problems are associated with simultaneous equations. We are going to go through two examples which we are going to use as our practice questions. Then of course we conclude the lesson with some few questions which are going to be your exercise. Before we get into the lesson, I want to start off by appreciating all those who have been subscribing to the YouTube channel, following us, commenting, liking, and also sharing. I had a conversation with one of the students, and this is what they had to say. I am highly appreciative and also honored that my little efforts are helping you. So may you please continue doing the same, subscribing, following, liking, commenting, and also sharing. So getting into our lesson, let us introduce our first practice question. Titoona kuti tingashanda nayo sei. This is the practice question we want to look at. It's a practice question and our topic is simultaneous equations, word problems. Chandoda kutanga kukuratidzai tisati tatombopinda muquestion ndechekuti maquestions ane chekuita nemaword problems hauye achikuudzai kuti munoaplya which topic kumaanswer. Zvandiri kuedza kutaura ndezvekuti kana problem yakanyorwa as a word problem ichida kuti mushandise simultaneous equations kuianswer, haikuudzei kuti shandisai simultaneous equations. Kana ichida kuti mushandise set theory for example kuianswer, kazhinji kacho haitaure kuti shandisa chakati kundianswer. Saka kudhila nemaword problems kunoda a skill yekugona kuita pick up atinoti cues. So we have what are called cues. They can also be called hints. Saka pane mahints anenge ari muquestion anokuudzai topic iri appropriate kuapply. So I hope kuti through learning these things, through going through all these topics, you are going to learn to pick up cues or picking up hints. But kuti mukwanise kuta pick up cues aya kana kuti hints aya, you attain this skill. It's actually a skill. Unoiwana through kupractice questions as many as possible. Saka mutemo watiinawo as the method, zuva rifanirwe kupera mwana wechikoro ari kudzidza maths at whatever level, be it kugrade 7, kuform 2, kuform 4, kuform 6, kucollege, kuuniversity, so long muchidzidza maths, zuva rifanirwe kupera musina a question yamunenge maattempta. Zuva rifanirwe kupera musina a new skill yamunenge madzidzira. Saka ndochokutanga chatanga tichida kutaura. Let us now read our question carefully. A two-digit number is such that the sum of its digits is 11. The number is 27 greater than the number obtained by interchanging the digits. Find the number. Saka panapa, we are going to make many, I will call them assumptions, but in actual fact, these are assignments. Saka we are going to assign many things. Chekutanga, tichati let, alright, color coding, white ndio yachashandisa kukuratidzai zvamufunga kunyora in your examination, then other colors for illustrations. Saka panapa tichati let x and y be the digits. Dopa chatangira. Let x and y be the digits. Saka papari kunzi it's a two-digit number. Saka one number, but in a 2 digits. Example yatingapa panapa 37. Muzona 37 is one number, but in 2 digits. Saka this is what our number is going to be like. It's a 2-digit number such that the sum of its digits is 11. Saka kana this number manje tinotanga taziva kuti inge yakamira sei. Saka patiri kuti let x and y be the digits, tinenge takuti therefore the number and is xy, ndo number yacho. Saka xy in this case haasi kureva kuti x times y. Xy ari kureva kuti, for example 37, x ari kurepresent a digit, y achirepresent a digit. This is very important to take note of. Kuti digit yedu inenge iri xy, x ari kurepresent a digit, for example 3, y ari kurepresent a digit, for example 7. Ndozvatofanirwa kuisa musoro hazvangokubuda. But let us come here and look at the digit 37. Kana chiti 37, tikadzokera ku one of the most fundamental topics dzatinodzidza when we are introduced to ordinary level mathematics, the decimal point value system, where we learn, kana kuti vamwe vanoiti abacus, where we learn kuti 7 uyu ari under units and 3 ari under tens. And saka we have 7 units and 3 tens. Saka 37 tinogona kuinyora yakadai so. Tinenge takuti 3 times 10 plus 7. Kuibreaka because 7 my units. Kuti uni zvoreva kuti 1. Kuti uni is a prefix. It means 1. Saka universe, university, units, unilateral declaration of independence. Zvinhu zvese zvina uni mukati. Uni just means 1. And that's why kana chiti 7 units. Basically tiri kuti 7 times 1, but we don't have to go there. 7 units ingori 7 yakamira yega. Asi kana chiti 3 ari under matens, in essence tiri kuti 3 times 10. Because mukatiwo 3 times 10 plus 7, 3 times 10 ndi 30 plus 7 ya 37. You understand? Saka 37 taibreaka yakadaro. And zvataillustrata apo, tinoda kuti zviuye kunoku. Chiti chenge chiti the number, tikada kubreaka xy is inge iri 10x plus y. That will be the number. Saka kuti xy tangoita arrive at that, kuti tingoillustrata kuti a 2-digit number yakamira sei. But remember kuti we had to go an extra mile yekutsanangura kuti xy hazvireve kuti x times y. Xy zviri kureva kuti x is a digit, y is also a digit. But kuti tinyatso kuinyora number zvakanaka zvichazoaplya in our question, tinoinyora as 10x plus y. X uyu, let me come here and illustrate. Number yedu ndi xy, y ndiye ma units, x ndo ma tens. That's why itazoti 10 times x plus y. This is our actual number. Saka natadai so tatorova manje. But let us reread our question. A 2-digit number is such that the sum of its digits is 11. Saka the sum of the digits. Ma digits edu, that let x and y be the digits. And kuti sum zoreva addition. Saka the sum of the digits trikuti x plus y is equal to 11. This is going to be equation number 1. The sum of its digits is 11. Ma digits acho ndeapi? X na y. Kuti sum zvinorevei? Zvoreva kuti edai zvinhu. Saka x plus y is equal to 11. That is equation number 1. Tapedza kugadzira our first equation yakanzi x plus y is equal to 11. We go on to the second sentence. Iri kuti the number is 27 greater than the number obtained by interchanging the digits. So patiri kuti the number, we are referring to 10x plus y. What we now want to do is we want to mathematize this sentence. Mathematizing to convert a sentence which has been written in contemporary language, human language, like English, Shona, etc. Convert that to mathematics. So we look at that sentence and we try to make sense of it. The number is 27 greater than the number obtained by interchanging the digits. We have to understand what is meant by interchanging the digits. Zvinorevei kana tichiti interchanging the digits. What it means kana tichiti interchanging the digits, tinenge tichiti the interchanged digits are 10y plus x. And saka number yatinowana tikaita interchange madigits ndi 10y plus x. Tikatarisa our number which is 10x plus y, interchanging madigits, going back to our former example ya 37, kuinterchange madigits zoreva kuti tenge takuinyora yakati 73. Kureva kuti tangochinjanisa kuti panga pana 3 pana 7, panga pana 7 pana 3. But tadaro, looking at 73, you can see kuti it's still 7 times 10 plus 3. That is why tanyora takati 10y plus x. Understand? So that is the number we get when we interchange digits. When we read that statement, iri kuti the number is 27 greater than the number obtained by interchanging the digits. Kureva kuti tikatora the number, which is toisa mabrackets toti 10x plus y, tikatora the number, tobva tasubtracta number yatinowana after interchanging madigits 10y plus x, we should get 27. Because zvanzi the number ihombe kune number yatinowana kana tachinjanisa madigits by 27. And so let me try to illustrate this here. Let us say we have two numbers, tina 30, tina 40, like that. Saka tikati 40 number ihombe kuna 30 na 10. Zvoreva kuti tikatora 40 tikasubtracta 30 tinofanira kuwana 10. And zvoreva zvakare kuti tikatora the smaller number tikaedda kune difference tinofanira kuwana 40, like that. Kureva kuti kunyange hedu tisingadi kuweka tichidaro, I will leave it to you as a task. Tikatora the smaller number panapa, which is, let me write in a different color, the smaller number which is 10y plus x. Tikaedda with the difference, tinofanirwa kuwana the bigger number 10x plus y, tichishandisa this logic. But aminoti zvinobuda here? Yes, zvinobuda. Yes, zvinobuda. Because mukaendesa I uko inosvika iri a negative, inobva yangodzokera pa this equation, zvinobuda. Saka ndomafungira munogona kuita. Vamwe vanga vachigona kufunga through manyorero ataiita, vamwe vanga vachigona kufunga through manyorero atazoita. So my advice would be, when I was introduced to algebra by Mr. Charumbira, when I was in Form 2 Gokomere High School, he taught me something. He taught me that when you are looking at algebra as a new concept, Form 1, it's Form 1, not Form 2, you have to imagine contemporary numbers. For example, algebra ikauya yakati 3x is equal to 1. And if you want to think it in terms of x, it's difficult. But if you imagine x to be an actual number, or tikadzokera ku grade 7, instead of kunyora kuti 3 plus x, tikati 3 plus empty box is equal to 1, it becomes a little easier. Saka, when you are looking at word problems, try to associate them with what you already know. Zvamunotoziva already, ndozvamunofanirwa kushandisa to arrive at what you do not know. It's called set theory. Use what you know to arrive at what you do not know. Don't try to use what you do not know to understand what you do not know. I'm sounding philosophical and I'm enjoying it, but let us continue. So here, continuing with our mathematics, we have to simplify that equation. So simplifying it, tinge takungoti 10x plus y, then minus inoi, bracket rakakosha madza, because riri kutiudza kuti tiri kusubtracta everything in this expression. Saka inobva yava chi, removing brackets, minus 10y minus x, this is equal to chi, 27. Then when we collect like terms, tinge takuti 10x minus x plus y minus 10y is equal to 27. We have to make sure kuti pata collector ma like terms, we kept the integrity or the sign of a number as it is. 10x yaramba iri positive, y karamba iri positive, minus 10y karamba iri negative, and minus x karamba iri negative. 10x minus x into 9x, y minus 10y into minus 9y, and this is equal to 27. But if we bring 3, we can divide everything na 3, like this, including the number we have after the equal sign, to divide after na 3. 3 ocheka mari 3, 3 unocheka mari 3, and 3 into 3 into 1, 3 into 27 ndi 9. Saka tikainyora it's 3x minus 3y is equal to 9. We can also use 3. Kureva here kuti apa tangachigona kungoshandisa 9 and yeah. Saka kana maona tachigona kushandisa 9, menge maona zvakanaka. Saka inenge ya x minus y is equal to 3. This is equation number 2. Saka kumusoro kuti anyora equation 1, kashandisa statement number 2 kuwana the second equation. So let us write them pamwe chete. Equation 1 yanga chiti x plus y is equal to 11, equation number 1. Equation number 2 iri kuti x minus y is equal to 3, equation number 2. Tasvika pano pekuti you can elect kuti moda kuti muisolve in which way. Muda kushandisa method ipi? Muda kushandisa method equality here, muda kushandisa substitution here, muda kushandisa elimination here. Ini samudzidzisi ndokuratidzai ese ari matatu because ano apply apo. Chenyu mimi kusarudza yamakasununguka nayo. Saka starting with the method of equality, method 1, the method of equalizing, and we make x the subject of formula. Correct, x is equal to 11 minus y, lower equation number 1. By equation number 2, we have to make x subject of formula. Saka x is equal to 3 plus y, equation number 2. Saka tapedza kuti make x subject of formula. Mind you, manga mchigona kuita make y subject of formula, zvaingobuda futi, but that is not what I did. Saka you can do that in your practice. Taona kuti x is equal to this, x again is equal to this. Correct, this and this should be equal to each other. 11 minus y is equal to 3 plus y. We explained and the method of equalizing tichishandisa the law of logic inonzi transitivity. So you can look up our earlier lessons that will be explained sufficiently. And let us solve for y panapa. Soreva kuti tikaendesa 3 kunoku 11 minus 3 inge iri equal to y yagara iriko plus y. What is 11 minus 3? The 8. So 8 is equal to 2y. If we divide both sides na 2, 4 is equal to 2y. Yatatowana. Taona kuti 4 is equal to y. We come back at our original equations. We elected ruler. I want to pick equation number 2. It would x minus y is equals to 3. So equation 2 it would x minus y is equals to 3. Ndakuziva kuti y ndi 4, so ndakumureplace x minus 4 is equal to 3. Saka x is equal to 4 akaenda uku 3 plus 4. X is equal to 7. Saka pazasi panapa tinenge takuti therefore x is equal to 7, y is equal to 4. That will be our final answer. Taona kuti x is equal to 7, y is equal to 4. Make it a habit kuti kana masvika pamofunga kuti ndipo paanswer modzokera ku question. Question yedu iri kuti question chacho iri kuti find the number. Saka the number tati it's either tichangoti xy kana kuti tichati 10x plus y. So the number here tinge tichiti therefore the number and is 74. 74 because remember tati number ndi xy satangoti 74. Manga muchigona kuinyora makadai so kuti therefore the number is 10x plus y, which is equal to 10 times 7 plus 4, which again gives you 74. You understand? It again gives you 74. But as a mathematician or an aspiring mathematician, I'm inclined to think in different ways. So what I want to think like Panapa is actually give a twist to this part of the equation. Zvandadzidzisa ndo zvandoda kuti muite, but njere dzenyu ngadzisalimitiwa kune zvandadzidzisa. Saka ndoda kudzipusha tione kuti zvobuda here. What if tanga tisina tatora the number as xy tisina kuitora as 10x plus y, zvaibuda here? Saka equation 1 inoramba iri x plus y is equals to 11. But tikashandisa that logic, equation 2 inenge yakubuda yakaita sei? Saka inenge yakuti 10x plus y ndiyo inenge yakuti equation yedu inenge yakuti xy andika minus yx is equal to 27. Like that. And this is equation number 2. And equation 1, x plus y is equal to 11. Okay. Saka inosolveka here. Mufunzo wangu inosolveka here. Toisolva tichishandisa chi. Tikaita factor out x, for example. Okay. Tikaita factor out x panapa. Tosara t9. Tosara tina y minus y. Andika xy minus yx. Y minus y ndi 0. 0 times x inobva yangova futi 0. So haizobudi. Alright. Saka we've discovered tese jointly kuti we cannot use it like this. We have to use it tichiti 10x plus y. I leave it to you as an assignment, a task, to investigate kuti nemhaka yatisingakwanise kuishandisa tichiti xy minus yx is equal to 27. But at least zvandanjifunga I've confirmed kuti hazvishande. I leave this as a challenge. Saka taona kuti ndo maanswers atawana. Tawana answer yedu iri 74. Let us employ our method number 2, which in this case I'm going to take as, let us use elimination. Saka we have to rewrite our original equations. X plus y is equal to 11, equation number 1, and x minus y is equal to 3, equation number 2. Like that. Then toda eliminate panapa, we see kuti we have the same coefficient pana x, kureva kuti we can just subtract equation 2 from equation 1. X minus x ndi 0, asi y minus y zvoreva kuti y plus y, which is 2y. So 2y is equal to 11 minus 3 is 8. Tikadivide panapa, then toita cancel out apo, 4. Saka y is equal to 4, like zvatawana panapa, as you can see. Saka na y are equal to 4, tikangoita basic substitution, tichatoona x are equal to 7. Therefore, towana our answer 74. Saka that is elimination. And then also continue panapa because zvava too obvious. And zvava too obvious. I have to treat you as equals or about to be equals in terms of thinking and loving mathematics. Saka you can continue on your own kuzobuditsa x is equals to 7. But I think zvava obvious. Let us go to our third and final method, which is going to be substitution. So when we are talking about the method of substitution, our original equations, x plus y is equals to 11, equation 1. Then x minus y is equal to 3, equation number 2. Let us make x subject to formula in equation 1. Correct x in get equal to, let us do that in equation 2. Correct x in get equal to 3 plus y. This is a new form of equation 2. I selected equation 2 because it's easier. Those what equation 2 into equation 1. Equation 2 into equation 1. Which means my equation 2 into 3 plus y into equation 1. Sanda could replace x are equation 1 na 3 plus y. Saka hapo inge ya 3 plus y. I replace x 30 plus y. This is equal to 11. Saka this is 3 plus 2y is equals to 11. 2y is equal to 11 minus 3. 2y is equal to 8. Kureva kuti y is equals to 4. And like zvatangowana pano, of course, mukaita just simple substitution, x inova equal to 7 and our number will still be 74. So I think to solve simultaneous equations acho, imimi you have to elect yamuda kushandisa panapa. It's not going to be difficult. Solve simultaneous equations is not going to be difficult, but arriving at this equation ndo pane nyaya. Saka I hope ndatsanangura zvakanaka. Kana muine mubvunzo musatombosesa kubvunza kuti tibatsirane pachipedo. Let us now look at this practice question. A motorist travels for 30 kilometers at x kilometers per hour and for 90 kilometers at y kilometers per hour and takes 2.5 hours for the journey. If the speeds are interchanged, the journey takes 2 and 1/6 hours. Find x and y. So let us collect the data. which we are going to apply in our solution. A motorist travels for 30 kilometers at x kilometers per hour. Saka, we are given the distance, and the distance is what? 30 kilometers at x kilometers per hour, and the speed for this distance. So we can say the distance is equal to 30 kilometers, the speed is equal to x kilometers per hour. And for 90 kilometers per hour, the distance is equal to 90 kilometers, and for this distance, the speed is y kilometers per hour. And it takes 2.5 hours for the journey. Saka, for the journey, it's going to be 2.5 hours. If the speeds are interchanged, the journey takes 2.6 hours. Find x and y. So the idea here is we are given distance and speed. We know this small mnemonic triangle, which is speed, distance, time. Kuti kana tichida kutsvaga the time, tinongosvika tovhara panapa patime apa. Toziva kuti time is equal to distance over speed. Kureva kuti for the distance 30 kilometers at the speed of x kilometers per hour, the time is going to be 30, which is the distance, over the speed, which is x, plus. For a distance of 90 at a speed of y, the time is going to be 90 over y. Saka tikaedha time 30 kilometers plus time 90 kilometers, tofanga kuwana 2 hours and a half, which we can express in fractional form as 5 over 2 hours, like that. Saka 30 over x i time ye 30 kilometers, 90 over y i time ye 90 kilometers. Kaedha matime aya tofanga kuwana 2.5 hours, which is for the journey. And because this is an equation, call it our equation number 1. Then when we read further, if the speeds are interchanged, the journey takes 2.6 hours. Saka if we interchange, kungoreva kuti tichachinjanisa x na y, titangoti 30 over y, and because once if the speeds sa x na y ndoma speed, 30 over y plus 90 over x is equal to 2.6. It's 6 times 2, 12 plus 1, so it's 13 over 6, and this will be equation number 2. So once find x and y. Saka if we solve these simultaneously, we are going to find x and y. So let us shoot. Saka panapa, we are going to consider equation 1. Then we are also going to consider equation number 2. But how do we do that? So if you remember, we had a question which was just like this, and we worked it. So if you are following our lessons, you should have 2 or 3 methods you can apply up. But I'm going to focus on one method. So I rewrite my equations like this: 30 and 1 over x plus 90 and 1 over x. So this is 1 over x, 90 and 1 over y, is equal to 5 over 2. Like that. Then over ndati panapa 30 and 1 over y plus 90 and 1 over x is equal to 13 over 6. So apa ndoda kuita zvinhu zvandisati ndakamboita, because madzisiro angu I consider my students imaginary as you are, all those who are benefiting, and I look for the simplest method which I can think of, which you can understand. But now I want to do something I enjoy. Saka ndiri kuda method inondinakidza inini. If you find what I'm going to do confusing, you can tell me you know how to do that. Or you can go back to the video we introduced fractional simultaneous equations. You see how a situation like this can be attracted. Or rather, you go to New General Mathematics, Book 3, Chapter 22. You look for this particular example and you learn from that. Zvandoda kuita ini ndezvekuti ndoda kuti let 1 over x be a and 1 over y be b. Ndozvandoda kuita. Saka ndadai so ndenda kunyora panapa chiti pana 1 over x chareplace na a, saka poi 30a plus pana 1 over y ndo replace na b, saka poi 90b is equal to 5 over 2. Handika equation number 1. Then apo pana 30 times 1 over y yava 30b plus apo inova 90a is equal to 13 over 6. Equation number 2. Zvadai so zvandirerukira, regai ndichingozvitsenga zvakadaro. Saka ngatitsengei tione. Chekutanga chatinoita ndechekuti tofunga kunyora zvinhu zvakamechana, of course. Saka it will be 30a plus 90b is equal to 5 over 2, question 1. Then apo totanga ina a, saka 90a plus 30b is equal to 13 over 6, equation number 2. Then ndotora equation 1 ndoiti times 3. Kuitira kuti 3 times 30a ive 90a plus 3 times 90, 9, 18, 27, 270b is equal to, then apo 5 over 2 times 3, it's 15 over 2. And that is equation. Okay, maybe before I do this, I'm thinking of something to avoid my fractions out. Saka let me clear fractions. How do I do that? Multiply kunona 2, we multiply that na 2. So everything will be multiplied na 2 for equation 1. And everything multiplied na 6 for equation number 2. Then 2 times 30a, it's 60a plus zobuda here handizi ndienda kutozviomesera here. I think apo ndoenda kutozviomesera zvoda basi. Ndaringodhilanawo mafractions akadaro. Saka equation 1 times 3 taona kuti chati 90a plus 9, 18, 27, 270b is equal to 15 over 2. Saka this is our equation 1. Then equation number 2 to multiply na 1 kuti idzoke ingori 90a plus 30b is equal to 13 over 6. Patati 3 times 5 over 2 tango multiply 3 times 5, which is numerator by numerator, kaona 15 over 2. In case munonyatsokupaona apa. Saka equation 2 ta multiply na 1 because tatomechesa 90a 90a. Of course, to eliminate a is just subtraction. 90a minus 90a, that's 0. 270b minus 30b, 270 subtracting 30 ndiani 4, 5, 6, 7. Saka ndi 240. Saka it's 240b is equal to, how about 15 over 2 minus 13 over 6. 6, 26 into 3. What is 3 times 15? As 45 here. 15, 15. Yes, the 45. So it's 45 subtract into 6, 1 times 13. 13, what is 45 subtract 13? Apo it's 2 cup. And then apo it's 4 minus 1 is 3. Saka 32. 32 over 6. Then kana iri 32/6, what are we going to do kuti tisare tina b? We are going to multiply by 1/240 kuitira kuti ma240 achekane, tomultiply kunoku na1/240 again kuti equation ibalance. Saka b iri equal to panapa we can do some form of simplifications. Then tikati, for example, 2 into 6 ndi 3, 2 into 3 ndi 1 with the remainder of 1 into 12 ndi 6. Then 8, 16, 24, saka 8 into 16 ndi 2, 8 into 24, 8, 16, 24 ndi 3, into 0 ndi 0, 2 into 2 apo ndi 1, into 30 ndi 15. Kureva kuti b iri equal to 1 times 1 over 3 times 15, which again yatambowana uko iri chi 45. Saka since b are equal to 45, tikadzokera kumusoro kunoku tati let 1 over y be b. Saka cha replace b na 1 over y. Saka 1 over y iri equal to 1 over 45. Saka nchidawana y tokunoshandisa cross multiplication. 1 times 45 is equal to 1 times y. Kureva kuti y iri equal to 45 kilometers per hour kana mchida. Let me just do that. Yabuda. Y is equals to 45 kilometers per hour. Saka method iyi ndakaidzidzisa madzangu, ndakaidzidzisa method iyi kuti kana tawana b ngatisazokanganwa kudzokera kunoku kwatati let 1 over y be b, to replace b na 1 over y, to solve equation yacho towana our final answer. Then tawana kuti y is equals to 45, tinodzokera patawana b is equals to 1 over 45, tonotora an equation kunoku to replace that value of b with that kuti tiwane a, tozodhilana a the same way atadhilana b. Saka tikatora equation 1, 30a plus 90b is equal to 5 over 2. So equation 1 iri kuti chi 30a plus 90b iri equal to 5 over 2. Andika? So vata replace the value of b, not y, b. 1 over 45. Saka poteta kuti 30a plus 90 multiplying chi 1 over 45 is equal to 5 over 2. Luckily 45 and 45 ni 1 and into 90 and 2. Kurota apa ya 30a plus 2 is equal to 5 over 2. Nditi? Then manje kuti tisolve tachikona kumultiply everything na 2 panapa like this. Clearing fractions. Teta kuti 60a plus 4 is equal to 5. That's simple guys. Toti 60a is equal to 5 minus 4. Saka 60a is equals to 1. Kureva kuti a iri equal to 1 over 60. A is very equal to 1 over 60. Tikadzokera kunoku tati let 1 over x be a. Kureva kuti cha replace a na 1 over x. Saka 1 over x iri equal to 1 over 60. Tikaita cross multiplication, x iri equal to 60 kilometers per hour. Yabuda foot. So this is a special method I enjoyed this, but I would understand kana ndakuconfuse I, and I'm ready to assist. Kana manduza kuti maconfusika. Asikana musina? Thank heavens. My work has been made easier. So thank you for borrowing me your attention. I hope you learned one or two, and stay tuned of course for the exercise. Saka exercise yandoda kuti muite exercise 22c, New General Mathematics book 3 page 211, or whatever page nayo mapage angonosiyana zvishoma. Ndoda kuti muite number 1, number 5, number 6, number 12, number 15. So these are the questions I want you to do. Thank you and have a nice one.